excited for you guys. I think the first quality of divine love made real in your love and the challenge we all have is wherever divine love weds with human love, the world's renewed. We feel better about life. Isn't it wonderful to end the year in a really crazy year with this occasion of love? So you renew us, and just looking at you, everyone feels better because your sign now is to the world that in the end, love always wins. The second element of divine love made real in human love is it's not perfect love in your life. You're not gonna have a perfect marriage. There's no such thing as a perfect marriage, only in heaven. You're gonna have a faithful marriage. And just as you can passionately say, I love you, you have to also be able to say, I forgive you. And one day turns into 60-some years, not because you're always gonna get it right, but because you're gonna hold on, keep on trying, and that wonderful flexibility of human love that is not perfect, but is definitely faithful. To be able to say, I forgive you, and I'll be patient with you.
I, Chris, take you, Nora, to be my wife.
I promise to be true to you.
I promise to be true to you.
In good times and in bad.
In good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
I will love you and honor you.
I will love you and honor you.
All the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
I, Nora, take you, Chris, to be my husband.
I, Nora, take you, Chris, to be my husband.
I promise to be true to you.
I promise to be true to you.
In good times and in bad.
In good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
I will love you and honor you.
I will love you and honor you.
All the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
Everyone, can we give thanks and praise now for the newest married couple in the world, for Nora and Chris.
It's amazing. Unreal. We did it.
Growing up, I always imagined who Nora might end up with. Her strengths are obvious to anyone in this room. She's beautiful, intelligent, adventurous, and fiercely loyal. Those of you who know Nora a little better know that she is also highly organized, theatrically outgoing, aggressively competitive, a perfectionist, and probably the wittiest person I know. Who on earth would be able to keep up with all of that? Christopher Scott has been the kindest, most genuine, generous, unexpectedly hilarious match for my sister. He truly brings out the best in her. Nora and Chris's love grew out of a strong foundation of friendship and common interests. Together they have made it through hard times, times apart, and now through 3 rounds of wedding planning. I have watched them celebrate each other, cheer each other on, and navigate co-parenting as they raise their mini woolly mammoth. I can't imagine what the future will hold for this young couple, but I know that it will be bright and never boring. The truth is, I could not imagine a better partner for my sister to share her life with. I enthusiastically gave permission then, and I continue to wholeheartedly approve. Today, tomorrow, and happily ever after.